In this video, I'm going to show you how to balance the left and right audio channels on your headphones or speakers. So to do this, you need to head over to your Start menu and search for Control Panel, and then we're going to click on the Control Panel window. In the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to Large Icons, and then we're going to click on the Sound tab. Make sure you have Playback selected, and then you need to locate your output device from this list. So this will either be your speakers or headphones depending on where your sound comes out from. And then we're just going to right click on our output device and click Properties. Click on the Levels tab, and next to the volume slider, click on Balance. Now from here, you can adjust both the left and the right outputs. You just basically need to make sure both of these sliders are set to the same amount. And then once you're finished, you can press OK. Now, if you're having the issue where you're moving one slider and the other one's automatically moving with it, then in order to fix that, what you can do is come over to your Start menu and search for Registry Editor. And then we're going to click on the Registry Editor tab. From the left-hand side, click on H-key Local Machine and expand this dropdown. Expand the System folder. Then expand Control Set 001. Expand the Control folder. Then underneath Bluetooth, click on Audio and then expand AVRCP. And then just click on this CT folder like so. In the CT folder, you should have this file called Disable Absolute Volume. We're going to double click on this, and you just need to change the value data from 0 to 1 like so, and then press OK. And now if you head back over to your sound settings and right click again on your speakers, we can once again come over to Properties and click on Levels. You should now be able to click on Balance and adjust both of these separately. Now, if it's still not working, you may need to restart your computer. And then once you're finished here, just make sure to click on Apply and OK at the bottom. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you balance your audio on your Windows 11 computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next